Retirement portfolios are one of the most important aspects of your financial future, and protecting them from sudden market shocks is crucial. If you're watching this, you're probably concerned about how to keep your retirement savings safe when the markets get volatile, and you're not alone. With everything that's happening in the world, from inflation to unpredictable stock market swings, it's important to know how to safeguard your wealth. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your retirement portfolio from these sudden shocks so you can sleep easier knowing your savings are secure. But before we get into that, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to download a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their hard-earned savings. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is diversification. Many retirement portfolios rely too heavily on one asset, whether that's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The problem with this is that if one asset class takes a hit, your entire portfolio suffers. The key is to spread out your investments into different categories: stocks, bonds, real estate, precious metals, and more. The idea is simple. If one investment drops in value, others may rise, balancing out your losses. But here's the thing. Not all diversification is created equal. While stocks and bonds can offer diversification, they're still tied to the broader market, which means during times of economic downturns, you could see your portfolio lose significant value. That's why many financial experts recommend incorporating a gold IRA into your portfolio. Gold has always been a reliable store of value, especially during periods of economic uncertainty. If you want to make sure your wealth is protected during times of market volatility, a gold IRA is one of the best options available. Unlike traditional investments that can lose value in market crashes, gold tends to rise in value, or at least remain stable when everything else is crashing. If you want to learn more about how a gold IRA can protect your wealth, be sure to check out that free guide in the description below. Next, let's talk about cash flow. One way to protect yourself from market shocks is by having assets that generate consistent cash flow, even when the markets are down. If you rely solely on the performance of your stocks or mutual funds, your portfolio can take a serious hit during a downturn. But investments that generate income, like real estate or dividend-paying stocks, can help you weather the storm by providing cash flow that can cover expenses during difficult times. However, you still need to consider how those investments are impacted by inflation and economic instability. That's where a gold IRA really shines. As an alternative investment, gold doesn't just preserve wealth, it can also act as a hedge against inflation. While traditional investments may suffer during periods of inflation, gold tends to retain or even increase in value, keeping your wealth intact. Another critical part of protecting your portfolio is risk management. If you're nearing retirement, you may want to take a more conservative approach with your investments. This doesn't mean you have to give up growth altogether, but it does mean being more selective about where you put your money. Reducing exposure to high-risk assets like volatile stocks can help you preserve your wealth as you approach retirement. This is where a gold IRA can be a game changer. It's a stable, low-risk option that can provide security without sacrificing potential for growth. Now, if you're holding a traditional IRA or 401k right now, I want to stress that having some of your funds in a gold IRA is one of the smartest moves you can make to protect your portfolio from sudden market shocks. It's an easy-to-manage way to add an asset that has historically outperformed other investments during times of economic instability. If you want to learn more about how a gold IRA can provide stability and security in your portfolio, I highly recommend checking out the free guide linked below. It's perfect for anyone with 100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even if you have 5M pluses in savings. You'll learn exactly why more and more Americans are turning to gold IRAs as a reliable, secure option. The bottom line is this: protecting your retirement portfolio from sudden market shocks doesn't have to be complicated. Diversification, generating cash flow, and focusing on low-risk assets like gold IRAs are all key strategies. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, taking action now is essential. So don't wait. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide today. Protect your future before the next shock hits.